Director Mohit Suri, hits and flops, all movies list up to Saira. Number 1, Jahar, released in 2005, average. Number 2, Kali Yug, released in 2005, average. Number 3, Wo Lamhe, released in 2006, flop. Number 4, Avarapan, released in 2007, flop. Number 5, Raj, released in 2009, hit. Number 6, Crook, released in 2010, flop. Number 7, Murder 2, released in 2011, hit. Number 8, Ashiki 2, released in 2013, blockbuster. Number 9, Ek Villain, released in 2014, blockbuster. Number 10, Hamari Adhuri Kahani, released in 2015, hit. Number 11, Half Girlfriend, released in 2017, flop. Number 12, Malang, released in 2020, blockbuster. Number 13, Ek Villain Returns, released in 2022, flop. Number 14, Saira, released in 2025, blockbuster.